Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 363, Technical Analysis, Crypto and Stocks. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you're going to be updated with the latest crypto-related news and analysis, please make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Links in the description, guys. So here's the link to the amazing articles I'll cover here on this awesome stream. Now, hey Steve, how's it going, bro? Thank you for being here, man. Let's move on and start looking at the technical stuff, right? Let's go over here and see what's happening with the market cap. Oh no. Are we bullish? Are we bearish? Where are we standing at, right? Sorry, wait 1 second. Yeah, where's crypto standing at, right? XTC, please. Yes, man, we can look at XTC. Sir, may we please look at XTC? Yes, man, we can. Yes, boy, we can look at XTC. Let's get XTC up here, dude. We'll look at that after Binance, right? And after that, you know, just because I'm going to put them in, I'm going to look at DVT and then RSR. If you guys want to queue more coins, let me know. Anyways, by the way, I was able to claim honey today, which was pretty good. I can tell you that it's legit right now. So I'm happy about that. Now I have a balance of honey on my account, which is nice, right? I'm trying to remember where I had it. I think it's here, yeah. This one. Nope. Not this one. I had it open somewhere. I wanted to show you guys that. So this one. Before I actually start with the analysis and everything. Here we go. Honey Faucet, right? Look at that. Last period they paid at 0.125, right? So it dropped from the previous one, which is okay. That means that more people claimed, and as you can tell, I think yesterday I was looking at 600 users. Now I have 955, so they grew by like 300 people, right? Which is okay, but I was still able to claim 0.0125 or whatever it was, which was good. That at current prices, right? That at current prices. Honey right now at 850. Now let's refresh real quick at 928, right? We'll do that with the calculator real quick. Right, just so we know how much we got. 0.01, right? Times, what was it? 928? Yeah, 928. Right, look at that. $9.28. So not too bad for not doing much. Right, so I got $9 today. Let's see in 2 days what it comes to. You can only claim once every 24 hours. So we'll see how that keeps on playing out for everyone, right? I think I'm showing you guys this. Yes, I am. Awesome. Now let's go and look at the market and see what's happening there. Also, I want to show you guys something I think is really cool. I might do an NFT, dude, for reals. I do have some old art that I came by that's mine, and I didn't make it, but I commissioned it a while back. And I have full license for it and full usage of it. So I think I'm gonna make it an NFT, dude. Anyways, I'll show you guys that in a second. What is happening with market cap? Yesterday I moved up, managed to get above that 50%, right? Which is good. We tried to rally a little bit more, hit the top part of the Bollinger Bands, finding some resistance, starting to move back down, heading for that 50% again on the movement down. Looks like we got some support, not quite there yet, but you know we can still drop a little bit more if we wanted to. Nothing too bad. Yesterday we managed to go up 4.25%. Today is going down 0.38%, approximately $1.28 billion, and sitting at a cool market cap of 337.01. Now, do we have something here? Let's see. Higher high. Where are we at here? 2.04, 2.15, right? We're going slightly higher, so nothing bearish, not even against the RSI. We could keep on making more positive momentum and still manage to get probably to that 618, right? Which would be okay. Nothing bearish here on the daily for market cap, sitting neutral at 55.41. Let's go check out Bitcoin dominance. Where's Bitcoin dominance at? 59.31. Bitcoin lost dominance again. which is okay. Yesterday it managed to lose 0.17%. Today losing 0.05%, sitting at 59.31% of market cap. Price of Bitcoin at 10,810 buckaroos, right? Is it good? Is it bad? It's okay, man. I'm not worried about this. We talked about retesting this area, which we did. Now we are rejecting. We do have something on the 1 hour that we can look at. And we'll talk about that once we get there. Now look at that high, lower high, positive was positive, high on our side to a lower on our side. We don't have anything besides this all strong bullish divergence, and that's everything that just kept us running until right now. So on that note, neutral at 50.88 on that RSI. Yeah, that RSI. Let's go to the 4-hour chart here and see what is happening there, man. What is happening with Bitcoin? Again, going high, right? We had the bearish divergence yesterday. We called it out, right? We were like live somewhere on here. I'm not sure when we were live here on the 4-hour. We might have gone down a little bit. We had the bearish divergence, right? We created the hidden bullish. And look at that, right? We started a rally after that, which is good. We hit that 20, right? Managed to get above the 20 and then managed to go for that 10.83. We did wick down here, the 10,647 resistance or support. And we managed to move up right above that 20 beautifully. And now we were failing to hold on to the resistance, or hold on above resistance of 10,837. We're moving back down, hit that 20 beautifully, and are taking a bounce from it. So we're rejecting the lower prices. The hidden bullish could still be in play. We don't have anything bearish besides this strong bearish divergence, which is okay. Now, if we fail to go higher than this previous high, the market could interpret this as a failed rally, and on that note, we could break down. Now, the opposite of what could happen is we manage to go slightly higher, but let's say we come here to like 11,000, right? Slightly higher. We're going to be coming in lower from this higher point, maybe also lower here on the other side, create some strong bearish divergence, and then break down. So we're at a point where if Bitcoin really doesn't like pump insanely high, we're going to find some divergence that's going to break us down at some point in time. Right now, it could be a failed attempt to rally, right? That could show weakness, or we hit a rally, but we failed to undo any kind of divergence, and then we really just break down from that. Neutral at 55.42. Let's go to the 1 hour. What is happening on the 1 hour? Again, coming lower, right? Again, we created this strong bullish divergence at midday. I know you guys asked for some stuff, dude. I was busy with work. I couldn't. I got to the first part on one of the tokens that you guys requested on the Discord, but I was unable to get to the second part, right? Because you were talking about like the rally, whether or not it was going to happen. If we had bullish divergence, yes, we had bullish divergence by midday on Bitcoin and probably the rest of the projects as well. On that note, on that bullish divergence strong, we took that rally, which is nice. Went up high, managed to get above 10,837. Right now we're breaking below it. We have not retested it as resistance since we broke above it. Right now it looks like we want to go for another rally, which is okay. Wouldn't be worried if we actually broke down and hit that 20. Used it as support for a bounce. High, lower, high. Here we don't have anything, so I'll have to go back here. High, lower, high, positive is positive. High on the other side to a lower point. All things looking good, right? The only place where I would find something, I guess, if I wanted to look for something bearish, which right now I'm not sure. I want to be hunting or forcing stuff on the charts, but I mean, you could, in all fairness, just go from here to here and here, right? Say, look, this technically higher to low and then low to high, creating some hidden bearish. And part of the reason that we're breaking down, yeah, and that would make sense, right? Again, for me, it does make sense. It's near resistance. It's starting to go down. Again, I'm not trying to hunt for stuff. I just saw it right now, and I would give some credit to this for the movement down. I'm not sure how strong it's going to be. It's weak bearish. We have strong bullish rallying us to the upside, so maybe a hit of the 20, like I said. And if we don't hit the 20, maybe a retest of that 10,800, maybe getting above it again, using it as support, and then trying to go slightly higher. On that note, let's go check out Ethereum. What is happening with Ethereum? Let's go on the daily, man. Ethereum daily, hitting bullish, taking that rally, trying to go higher, failing yesterday, right? We didn't even hit the 20 yesterday, but we did manage to rally a little bit. Right now going down very slightly, sitting at $356.94. High, lower, high, positive is positive, high on the other side to a lower point. Neutral at 47.64. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. What's happening here on the 4-hour? We created strong bearish divergence. We talked about that one yesterday. We're actually moving down already. And since then, you know, they would create something. Oh, man, I doubt it, man. I doubt it. Maybe against the RSI, we ended up making something. I'm not sure. 48, 48.96, 48.87. No, slightly higher. I'm not gonna give anything here, right? Because I don't believe we created anything here on the 4-hour. Low to high, negative to less negative, right? So nothing there. Here, you know, this is technically lower. That's slightly higher. So again, nothing here. Low to high. That's gonna be it, dude. We're just taking a small rally because Bitcoin's also rallying. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, see if we find something there. Sitting neutral on the 4 hour, right? On the RSI. What is happening here? We had bearish divergence. We moved down. Here we're hunting for that bullish divergence, which, it didn't play out to here, but here, we still have it, right? I mean, we can anchor just to there, and that's great, and anchor from here to here, and that's awesome, right? We have that hidden bullish price action to the outside. We took that rally, it failed at the 20, failed to drop, and on that, we managed to go for that next pump, right? So we rallied up a little bit more, which is okay. High, lower, high, positive was positive, high on the other side to a lower point. Short term, low to high, and then low to high. So nothing bearish right now for Ethereum, right? So, sitting neutral at 50.39 on the RSI. On that note, let's go check out XRP. What is happening with the XRP, man? By the way, guys, if you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, that sub. And if you're new to the channel, definitely sub. You're gonna like the content here. I believe it's a good channel. A lot of people here think it's a good channel. Anyways, low, lower, low again, creating that hidden bullish. The rally to the upside, rejecting 24.629. Yesterday we failed to get above it again, even though we wicked it, right? Look at that, wicked. We actually hit a high of 24.665. So very close to the target again, breaking below. Right now, trying to get above that 20, but really failing to take off. So we're seeing a lot of indecisioning happening here on XRP. And that's not good, right? Indecision is not good. It could be interpreted as bearish sometimes. Here we went up 152, 149, still slightly lower, and also lower on the RSI. So nothing bearish happening here. Just sitting neutral at 46.78 on that RSI. Here, I'll just take a second measure. Let's see. 47.84, and the highest we got was 47.56. So yeah, nothing higher. 47.54, yeah, nothing higher. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Look at the 4 hour. Haha, we created bearish divergence. Again, move down on that. Try to rally again. I think we said this yesterday. We could try to go slightly higher, create bearish divergence again, and break down. And look, I think that's precisely what we did. Look at that. From here to here, we're technically going slightly higher on that XRP, right? Again, let's just get this in the 4 hour. There we go. From high to low, right? And then from here to here. On that move, we're making strong bearish divergence, potential action to the downside. We move down, hit that 20 below it. Try to recover, try to get above it. Failing right now to stay above the 20, which is not good. Again, neutral at 50.45 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, right? Look, we had the bearish divergence. We broke down on it. That's fine. We didn't create anything bullish to there. That's okay. I'm happy with it. Short term, we didn't do much. We just tried to climb a little bit more. Again, no bullish anything here, right? Maybe from the 4 hour, and that's about it. Then we just broke down. Now, on this breakdown that we just had, we did create some strong bullish divergence against the MACD, right? And we're just going to point it out right now. If we all just look at this magnificent, strong bullish divergence, it has the movement to the upside coming in, right? Or predicting a movement to the upside. Look at that, right? Strong bullish action to the outside. We rallied, hit that 20, rejecting, right? What happens when we reject the 20? We have to look for lower prices, right? We could try to get another go at the 20 on the strong bullish, but if we really don't try to go for it, we really could be coming lower, making a slightly lower low. You can anchor to a lower negative momentum island, right? A lesser negative momentum island. And here we don't have it against the RSI, but this time, right, in this new low that we make, we could probably create that strong bullish divergence against the RSI and try to go for a better rally, right? A rally with a little bit more merit, let's say. On that note, I'm going to go and check out Litecoin. What is happening with Litecoin? We're going to the bearish divergence again, move down. Try to recover, failing, moving down slightly right now. Nothing else happening here on the daily. Neutral at 42.06. 1 second, guys. God, something like stuck in my throat, dude. It's not good. It's also, I think I'm getting allergies from something, because my wife's also acting the same. It's like, it's weird. Anyways, neutral at 42.03 on that RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Strong bearish action to the downside. We move down. That's fine. Low to high again. Negative 2. We're near low, lower. Okay, cool. We do have something here on the 4 hour, right? So from here we're going higher, right? And we are coming slightly lower here. Again, strong hidden bullish divergence. Price action to the upside, or potential continuation. We tried rally, failed. Failed to go lower though. Need that ultimate rally happening, right? So again, on that note, it's gonna be a neutral at 49.06 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, right? We have hidden bullish. Potential action to the upside. Rallied, failed, went lower, right? On the rejection of the 20. Did we go lower? I do believe we went slightly lower, yeah. Get that right, slightly lower. So coming from here to a slightly lower point there, that's fine. Nothing to worry about there, to be fair. Because we created some bullish divergence, strong, against the MACD. Look at that, right? Boom. And then also against the RSI. And on that, we're getting that small rally happening. Looks like we're stalling right now. I just got to check out why we're stalling. Let's see, previous high. We do have an island there. I want to acknowledge it and go from here to here, right? Even though we have another island there. Really struggling with that one. ADA. Sure, man. We'll look at ADA. Cardano. Right on. So what are we doing here, right? I don't know. So nothing here against the RSI, just against the MACD. Right? Are we going from here to here? Potential hidden bearish, right? Again, we do have this island here. If you want to acknowledge this island, we wouldn't have it. But I'm anchoring from back here. This is a 2 bar island. This is just a 1 bar island separation. So again, that's probably why I'm choosing it. It's a little bit iffy though. Again, I don't want to put a lot of weight on this hidden bearish. That's the only thing I can see right now. And again, with the note that we do have a positive momentum here, it might not play out, right? So just that being said, we did move down, hit that 20, struggling to really take off from there. Volatility, leaving the Bollinger Bands, so we're in tightness, and you know, neutral at 51.96 on that RSI. Binance at 28 buckaroos, $28.49. Now what's happening with Binance? We went higher, we're positive momentum higher on there, so that's great. Now, we did manage to go slightly higher here in the 1 hour, but we're going to talk about that in a second. Here on the daily, we didn't do anything, right? It went higher, started to make positive momentum, lower on the RSI, high to low, positive to less positive. Nothing happening. Managed to get above that 20, beautiful. Finding that impulse to the upside again at $28.57. Neutral at 59.79 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour, right? Again, we kept on climbing. We did move down on the bearish divergence here, but we just kept on climbing, and we just got to keep on tracking, right? So there and then there. Look at that. Boom, boom. Right? We don't no longer have it here. Just short term from here to here. And that last bit from here to here. Again, bearish divergence. So we can take this in a couple parts, right? That would be one. And then I'll just go here for the other one, right? But again, you can just go from here to here. And also have that strong bearish divergence fraction to the downside. On that note, we might move down and retest that 20. That 20 right now, 20 moving average at 27.10. Sitting bought at 67.24. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Forgot to anchor stuff on the 4 hour, so just let me do some real quick cleanup here. Come on, go back quickly. I think that's the only things that I had drawn right now, so should be good now. Anyways, what are we doing here? Coming slightly higher again, nothing here, right? From here to here, but from here to here, look at that, right? Going higher still. Snap. There we go. Right, high to low as we're going slightly higher, more positive, like price climbing, but less positive momentum and lower on that RSI. Creating strong bearish divergence. Actually, to the downside, we didn't move down, hit that 20, managing to find support, which is okay. Now, on that movement down, we're also sitting neutral at 58.49 on the RSI. So we managed to reset the RSI, which is also okay. We could be going for another potential run. Let's see how that's going to play out. Are we doing here short term? High. Let's see where this is at. 419, 297, right? Slightly less. So nothing bullish. I was looking for something bullish. We're just holding on support. We could break below it, right, on the hidden bearish. But right now, it just looks like we're holding on to it. If we manage to hold on again, we could go on another rally. But if we fail at this area, we're going to definitely be dropping lower. We don't have anything bullish yet to push us higher. Last bullish thing we have was this hidden bullish, so that's about it. Now I'm gonna get into their quests, but I want to show you guys something. Jake, are you here, bro? One Bitcoin Jake. I want to know if he's here because I want to show something, and I want to get his opinion on it. So. Oh snap! What is that? No, not that. I want to show something up here to the side. I don't think Jake's in, dude. So, anyways, I want to make an NFT of something, but I'm not sure if, like, I want to get you guys' opinion on it first. So a while back in 2013, I was about to put out a deck of playing cards, which was really cool. I ended up not being able to print it, but I have all the artwork for it, and I want to make an NFT, not out of the whole deck, but certainly out of a portion of it, right? At least the court cards and the Joker, which is insanely cool. I do believe they might work as NFTs. Look, I'll show that real quick so if you guys can't see it. I don't know what you guys think about it. There's a King of Diamonds. I think I'm going to remake that one, right? So, take it to Discord for my idea. Dude, I want to publish the files in the Discord, man. I just want to make them an NFT, dude. I'm just wondering how much you guys think that's going to be worth. Because I'm not sure, dude. I've seen some NFTs sells for like really, really high dollar value. I think this one's pretty sweet. I think the deck is pretty cool. And what I want to do is I want to sell some of them individually, and then sell some of them as a set. So the ones that get sold as a set, basically I want to, like, like you can break them out, I guess. I'm not sure, but I want them to have a bigger value if they're like a set, right? Like a collection, let's say. I want to sell them. Maybe I know a lot of people just sell like unique pieces, which is okay. But in this case, I don't want to go with unique pieces. I just want to make a run out of 5, maybe. All right, and see if people what people think about that. Sell them in like game world, like the sandbox world, like you mean yeah, the Decentraland. I'm not sure how I'll be importing stuff into the Decentraland, dude. I'm thinking about that. Or at least I want to sell like 4 of each, and I just want to keep a whole set for myself, and see how they start behaving, right, or how they start doing. I'm not sure, dude. I'm not even sure how much I should be listing them for. I've seen a lot of that art sell very expensive, and I have like all the court cards, which are pretty sweet. And they're all like freaking crazy cards, dude. Had a really good graphic designer work with me on this, so that's pretty good, right? Maybe, man. Anyways. Anyways, on that note, let's keep going with the stream, right? XDZ. Tezos! What is happening with Tezos? Again, bearish divergence, action downside, right? We're looking for that. We still got it to here. Moving down slightly. Rejected the 20 previously. Rejected also that 618, I believe. Yeah, 618. Right now, sitting at $2.20. Nothing bullish happening. Hidden bearish. That's about it, though. Right, even from here to here, we can maybe call it right. Yeah, we have a positive momentum on here. So we're made here. And again, price action to the downside, and we're moving down on that on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we had the strong bearish divergence. Also, potential action to the downside happening there. All right, look at that. We moved down on that. Now we're starting to create some hidden bullish, which is okay. Right, high, lower, high, low, higher, low. All right, let's anchor these in the 4 hour. That's it. And then from here to here, right? So again, hidden bullish. We don't have it against the RSI. That's okay. Potential action to the upside. We're managing to get above the 20, but failing right now to sustain it, which again is not good. We might get another go at it in the next 4 hour candle or so. But sitting neutral at 48.87 on that RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, we're looking for this hidden bullish, okay, which we got, and it played to the upside, right? Hit that 20 and we rejected it, and then we moved farther down, which again, it's okay. Let's see, where's this at? 1065, 107, right? So slightly lower. Yeah, it's coming in slightly lower still. I was looking for some strong bullish divergence here, which I don't think we got, unfortunately. But we did manage to create some hidden bullish from back here. You need to know if you're gonna hit 228. Oh, well, that's what we're trying to determine, bro. We have this in hidden bullish, and that we're taking a rally, getting up about 20, then breaking slightly below, right? Zoom in lower. And it's sitting at 44 on the RSI, right? So again, rejecting the 20. Doesn't look like we're actually going to go higher, right? High, low, high, low. I'm not sure it is going to go to the 0.28 cent mark, bro. The 228 right now. All right, it looks like it actually wants to drop maybe more. Yeah, I'm not sure, bro, if it's going to get to that area right now. This is looking a little bit iffy, right? You don't have anything else besides a hidden bullish, which is failing at the 20, or it's failing to stay the 20 once, twice. Gotta see how that goes from there. So on that, I'm gonna go check out DVT, man. What is happening with the DVT, man? It's sitting at 5 sats, which is okay. I didn't believe 5 sats is a good entry point. It's near my entry area. On the average, I'm below there. But I do believe it's a good area to get in at for this project. No, I forgot to make it columns. That's why I couldn't see them. There we go. Right, so as you can tell, coming in lower, and then going from here to here, right, creating some strong bullish divergence. Well, we don't have that against the RSI, which is okay. But against the MACD, we have that strong bullish potential action to the upside. Try to rally, but failing right now, right? So that's okay. Let's see if this is going to rally from here, which is good. We just had the strong bullish. On that note, let's go to the 4-hour chart because there's nothing else developing here right now. Andrew just got done watching the debates. Oh, it's awesome, bro. I didn't even know there was a debate tonight. Yeah, I know, but I didn't know they were going to debate tonight. Actually, I haven't really cared much for this presidential debate. I think it's fixed out. I think it's already rigged, dude. Trump's going to win again. Biden, I think... I don't think he's... I think... Dude, I don't want to sound like a dick, but I think he's too old. And he's having, like, mental issues, apparently. They've come out with videos of him where, like, he just looks like... Like, he like, gets stuck on his way of thinking, right? So I'm not sure if he's actually going to be a good president. He might be a puppet president to where, like, other people are pushing their agenda through him. But I'm not sure if he's going to be an actual, like free-thinking president, right? Like, Trump's a little bit more free-thinking, I would say. I mean, he has some of that, but we'll see, you know. It was a shit match. All right. So I'm not sure. I do believe Trump's going to win again. You know, he's going to say the economy's doing great because the stock market is good. That, you know, the way he handled COVID, it's going to be all good, you know. And I don't think Biden was a good contender for him, right? I don't think they set up a good opponent, right? I think it's like, even though people are, like, a lot of people are mad at Trump, I do believe that, you know, they're not going to have a guy that will, that forgets stuff and like gets stuck in his speech, like running for president, right? So I think Trump's going to repeat it, but, you know. I know it was his turn, but really, I mean, you could set up someone else that's better and have a good chance of holding the presidency and push your agenda, right? The party's agenda through the presidency, because that's what's going to happen. But I think they're just like it's I'll just say, dude, they're like handing it to Trump in like a silver tray, dude, right? It's just like it's a gift that's just being given to him this time because he's not having any real opposition. I think Hillary Clinton could have been. Like, she could have been better at this time and maybe even taken presidency if she would have, gotten her turn again to go against him. Because last time she won the popular vote, but she's lost on the electorate vote. But, you know, yeah. But, you know, that's just, whatever, man. I'm not getting into politics anymore. Again, we have, on the 4 hours, some strong bullish divergence. This is not a politics show. I don't want to get strikes for talking about politics and then someone coming in and being all touchy feeling and then just like putting a report against the YouTube because I'm talking about politics and they just don't share their political views, right? So again, anyways, let's get back to this again. Strong bearish, right? So strong bullish, sorry. Price action to the upside against the RSI, not against the MACD. Let's go on the daily here. Sure, bro. I'll circle back to Ethereum after Cardano. I'll just have like RSR and ADA to look at before that. So coming in slightly lower. All right, look at this. On the daily, right, for DVT, coming in slightly lower. I do believe 5 is a good entry point. It's coming in lower. We're coming in higher, right, creating that strong bullish divergence even here against the RSI and against the MACD and the RSI. Look at that, right? So at 5 sats, dude, you can buy a lot of this project. Get that small pump. Look, even if it goes to 7%, right, you don't have to be super greedy. But okay, let's say you're at 5, right? So 1/5, it's 20%. So if you go up to 7, you're going up 40%, right? You can get 40% gains here on a small pump or a small pop from here, and it's done it before plenty of times. Look at that here. Look at that here. Boom, right? So again, you could get those small pops of 10, 20% on this project, even 40%. So I do believe this is a good entry on DVT, right? So if you just want to hold it, if you don't want to hold it long term, you just want to trade it, it's a good trading coin. If you want to hold it long term, I do believe it has a lot of potential. It's 5 sats. If it goes to 1,000 sats someday, a lot of people are going to be rich with this. And if it gets to 10,000 sats, a lot of people are going to be much, much better off. On that note, that's it for DVT. I'm going to go to RSR. Right on. So, alright. RSR, right, on the here, nothing. We're starting to create some strong bullish divergence. I'm getting pissed at this project because of its piss poor performance. You know, but I'm waiting for a bounce so I can get out. Right, maybe 15 cents, and I'll take a loss of half. I'll be glad if it gets to 15 cents. If I see it's gonna go higher, I might hold on a little bit more. But dude, I just want to get a good exit here. It's already screwed up on the entry, so big time, right? You guys know about that. Anyways. I'll just anchor these on the daily, because why not? It's just a daily, right? On that note, that's it for here. Let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, dude, you know, it's the second coin I go over. You don't need to request Ethereum, dude, on the pre-stream, because I'm going to cover, I always going to cover the first 5, right? So or at least what I want to be the first 5. So I always cover Bitcoin to begin with, then Ethereum, then XRP, then Litecoin, and then Binance. If you jumped in and I'm not in any of those, I already passed them. If I'm on XRP, then I already passed Ethereum. But, you know, I'll just go back and talk about it. You can request for me to, like, look at it again. That's fine. But on the pre-stream, you know, I'm going to look at it anyways. It's like not like I'm going to skip Ethereum, right? So it's the second largest coin by market cap. Of course, I got to look at it. You know, it's like a must. Anyways, here, I was looking for something earlier for RSR. And we do have some strong bullish divergence. I'm hoping it's going to play to the upside. Maybe hit that 20. We have it against the MACD and the RSI. Starting to get that rally, but really failing to even reach 11 cents. I want this to go like to 15 cents. It's still a while. It's still a ways off. Let's see if this strong bullish manages to pump. Maybe get above that 20. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, right, we dropped farther down. We killed any chance of bullish divergence that we had, right? Because lower, more negative, lower, low, right? Lower on the RSI. So that note, we took a bounce, maybe from the 4 hour, right? And right now we're pulling back down a little bit, which is not the best, but you know, it is what we have. Retracing a little bit lower than that 100% retrace, so I'm just going to shift this to there. There we go. And now that's our low, right? We haven't confirmed the local low, and we talked about that. That's why I just keep on shifting the bottom part here. Let's see if we can retrace at least to that 14.5 cent. That will be the 236. And that will be the beginning of the retrace zone. We have not made a valid retrace on this project since it's starting to drop. Neutral on the 1 hour at 41.64 on the RSI. Let's go check out Cardano. Jake, how's it going, bro? You're back. You made some NFTs? Oh, it's good, bro. Look, man, I wanted to show you something, man. I want to do an NFT. Have some good artwork that I had made, commissioned for me, and I have all the rights to it, which was back when I was going to launch a playing card company. I have the artwork for the playing cards, which is really sweet, dude. I'll just show you a small version of it. But this, for example, this would be the Queen of Hearts, right? I want to make that an NFT. And then, let's see the, this would be the Jack of Clubs, right? This one's going to be like weird, right? So they're like a good version and then like an evil version of the same card, right? So the name of the card was going to be Dichotomy. So I want to launch, I have the full court cards, which is 12, right? Or, yeah. It's 12 cards, and then I have the back of the project, which was going to be the back of the deck, and then I have like the aces, which are also really cool, and then I have the Joker. So at least I have approximately like 18 cards that I want to publish, right? And I want to get that to show, right? I want to look at what you made, bro. Bitcoin Jake selling a panda, by the way, or panda art. Oh snap! Sorry, man. Bitcoin Jack follow. Art first edition. Art second edition. 8 out of 10. For 1 Ethereum. Is that your price? You're selling it at 1 Ethereum? Wow, Jake, that's good, bro. And just take a picture of this, right? Like, it's good, bro. It's Ethereum, though. What's the problem with it being Ethereum, bro? You know, you already sold some because you have 8 out of 10 available, which is good, right? Then your second edition, 30 out of 30. I think that's what you just uploaded. So, owner, collection, Rarible. Was family art? That's pretty good, bro. Not sold. Traded one. But it says 8 out of 10. So are you keeping one for yourself, though? Is that why it says 8 out of 10? Because otherwise the numbering is off. That's awesome, bro. You want someone that sent you one Ethereum a couple months ago? That's awesome, bro. I'm not sure how much I want to sell each card for, bro. It is a lot of art I'm going to be uploading. And I just want to make it like, since it's a deck of cards, I have like, I'm not going to put the whole deck of cards. I'm just going to put like the court cards, the aces, and maybe make a collage of the cards somehow on high definition. But I want to keep a collection set to myself. And that collection set, what I want to do is sell it, like see if I can sell one as a collection. So I want to make it like 5, right? Make it out of 5, and then sell 3 of them individually, and then one of them I want to sell as a set of all the cards that I have there, and then the other one it's a whole set that I want to keep for myself, because I believe if I have a set, it's like pieces of art, right? Or married pieces of art. I should play Splinterlands on Hive. It's a cool game. Maybe, bro. What is Splinterlands about? Anyways, I do believe if I have a whole set, it might have a whole more value than each individual piece is put together. Just like a collection of something, right? If you have a full collection, it's worth much more than any one individual card, and it's usually more valuable as a full set collection. So that's what I want to do. I'm gonna open that on the side, bro. I'm not. Let's check this out, dude. Thank you for posting the art, bro. Put the link on the Discord, man, so we can look at it. All right, cool. That looks good, man. You told me about this one. I have to buy packs of cards, dude. That's the whole thing. I have an issue with this. This looks like Blanca from Street Fighter, by the way. You all play Street Fighter, you know what I'm talking about, right? Doesn't this look like Blanca? Like, a guy who used to charge electricity. Interesting, man. Splinterlands, a trading card game on Hive, I guess. It's nice, bro. Don't mind it. The artwork looks cool. I can get free cards. That's good, man. I'll check it out, man. I'll see if I can start playing it. I don't have a lot of games to play, but Camboza gives out free parks. That's good, man. If I can help the community by doing this, then yeah, I'll definitely try to play it. Looks cool, man. I like the artwork. I'll tell you that for reals. I like the artwork, so I'll do that. So let's I was finishing RSR. Then we had ADA to go to, and then Ethereum again on request. ADA Cardano. Hidden bearish. Action to downside. Move down on that. Right. So yeah, boom, moving down on that. Trying to head for that 50% retrace, which is okay. Nothing wrong with that. Now, we're not doing anything else on the daily. 1 second. Sorry, guys. I just sneezed. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Again, we had the bearish divergence. We created the hidden bullish. We're still held onto this area slightly. Then we still have hidden bullish here, so I'll just anchor there. Against the MACD, nothing against the RSI. That's all fine. Coming in lower here as well. So the bearish divergence strong, playing us to the downside. Hidden bullish, trying to make us hold to the 20. We're losing it right now on the 4-hour chart, so nothing else is developing. Just gotta wait for this to play out. So if we're gonna hold this, again, hidden bullish is one of those tricky things. It can keep on dropping forever, and it's gonna keep making more negative momentum, and we're still gonna have hidden bullish, right? That's why I don't like hidden bullish that much. On that note, let's go to the 1-hour chart. Look at this on the 1 hour. We had the hidden bullish. Took a rally, hit that 20, rejected, went lower, right? On rejection of the 20. Now, on that movement lower, we are creating some strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, and that's just what's playing out right now. Hit that 20 again, rejected once more, and on that rejection moving lower, I do believe we might be making some hidden bearish, but we're gonna look at that in a second. We don't have this movement again on the MACD, just against the RSI. Let's see, high to low, high to low. I thought this was going to be a positive momentum or something. Yeah, we do have a positive momentum here. Look at that. It's green. It's green. Yay. So from here to here, right? Coming in like that, and then coming in from here to here like that, right? So some hidden bearish. That's why we're moving down that hidden bearish, right? Again, there was something there we could look at that was a reason why we're moving down. All right, so sitting at 9 cents right now, 9.88 cents. Let's go back to Ethereum. On, Andrew's request. What is Ethereum doing, man? On the daily, right? We don't have anything on the daily. We're rejecting that 364. Again, not even getting to a 20 yesterday. Moving slightly lower, high, positive was positive, high on the other side to a lower point, neutral at 47.54, so not a lot, right? Last thing we have, hidden bullish, we can still try to run on that. We're going to see, let's go to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, we had strong bearish, we called that one out yesterday, right? We were here already moving down. We're already here moving down by the time we're live. We're trying to climb up a little bit. That's why we started to climb, got above that 20, right now we're sitting at the 20, right? Trying to test it at support. Let's see if it's going to hold. We did move lower than that. We are pulling back up again, so let's wait and see. Nothing here against the RSI, that's fine. 48.96, 48.87, so low, slightly higher low, again coming in higher here. So I'm not going to call anything here against Ethereum on the 4-hour. I'm going to hold off. I want to see if we hold this. If we hold the 20, we might try to get another go at the 364. But if we don't, then we're really probably looking for more price action to the downside. So let's go to the 1-hour chart. Right, on the 1-hour chart, we had the bearish divergence, right? We called that one out yesterday. I think we might have called also this out. No, we called this one out today. We had it to here yesterday, right? And then we just moved it to here today. We still have strong or hidden bullish divergence. Sorry, price action to the upside. We took a rally, rejected the 20, but failed to drop lower. That note, we took another bounce, which is okay. Now we're starting to move slightly lower. Do I have something here? No. High, lower, high. Positive was positive. High on the other side to a lower point on the other side. Low to high. Right, positive to more positive, and low to high. So nothing bearish right now necessarily. We're just waiting for this to develop a little bit more. Right, and here we're out on the 1-hour. We are below the 20, which is not good, right? We just lost it as support. On the 4-hour, I'm hoping we're not going to lose it as support. If we lose it as support, we're losing it as support right now. We could be looking for lower prices, right? And maybe taking another drop here on Ethereum. But it all's going to depend on what Bitcoin does, right? In Bitcoin does have that strong bullish. It's not creating anything bearish on the 4-hour, right? We have this old strong bearish, which could still come into play, right? This could be interpreted as a failed rally. We did manage to get above 10,837, but right now we're dropping. We're sitting at that 20, right? We're neutral at 52.40 on the RSI, which is okay. And then on the 1-hour, right? On the 1-hour, we have the hidden bearish, right? That's what's moving us down. We might hit that 20, try to find support, and try to go for a bounce. Maybe retest that 10,837. Not sure yet. I'm happy that we got up here. We talked about that yesterday, getting up to this level again. I wasn't expecting for this drop to happen, to be fair, but it did create that strong bullish divergence that we needed to get back up on this level, which was good, right? That's how we're going to play the channel. Here, I was expecting to go up here. So if you would have taken a position here, you would still be fine. You would have exited up here, probably. And we created some hidden bearish, and that's what's moving us down towards that 20. On the daily, though, not a lot happening, right? The last thing we have is this hidden bullish. Sorry, this strong bullish back here. And the only thing we could say is that maybe we're starting to come, like, you know, in a triangle form, right? A pattern. High, lower high, lower high. Right? And then low, higher low. And maybe we even make a higher low up here somewhere. Right? And then we're making that triangle. And then, you know, it's a symmetrical triangle. It could break either way. Just gotta wait for it to, like, you know, present itself. On that note, if there's any other requests, please let me know. While you guys come up with something that I should look at, I want to look at gold and silver real quick. What is happening with the gold? Going higher, really not even getting to that 20 or even getting to the $1,922 area, which is okay. Nothing wrong with it. Again, you have the strong bullish going on a rally. You got a little bit of pullback. That's fine. Silver at $23.84. Again, going up higher. Getting very near to the 161.8% retrace, which is this blue line here. Rejecting and moving slightly lower, and that's okay. Sitting sold, neutral now at 40.24 on that RSI. Let's see these. Let's see the US 30. Oh, dude, you told me that to play Splinterlands, I had to pay. Jake, you told me to play Splinterlands. I had to pay like $10, right, just so I can get in. But I don't even get any free cards, right, or something like that. But let me know, because I can't remember how that worked. Right, so that's silver. Well, you guys come up with something still. I'm going to start looking at markets real quick. Dow, down 131 points. Rejection of near the 20, which is okay. Not happening, right? We have the hidden bullish. That's the last thing we have. US 30, right? The Dow live again, rejecting the 20. That here we did hit the 20, moving down slower. That's fine. Jake said, oh, for the thing, yeah, I forgot how. All right, that's cool. You know, neutral at 47.91 on that RSI. Let's look at the S&P, right? S&P down also 16 points below that 20. London up 46 points. We were above the 20 already. Managed to hold on to that, which was good. Nikkei up 27 points. Again, nothing happening. If I'm not mentioning anything, you already called this out, right? Have the hidden bullish, rallying, getting above the 20, broke back down, or gap down on the opening, pulling back up again, which is okay. Getting 27 points on the Nikkei. Toronto down 31 points. Last thing we have is strong bullish. Went up to 20, rejected, moving lower now. West Texas, what is happening? $38.70. Moving down, right, on rejection of the 20, which is okay. Yeah, we created some bearish divergence here. That's what moving us down. Brent oil also, right, had the hidden bearish, moving down, right, which is okay. So nothing to worry about here on oil or the rest of the coins, or, you know, the markets. So, yeah. Now, I'm open up for requests. So you guys can come up with any cool projects that I should look at. Again, if you guys don't request it, I probably won't look at it, because I can't remember. You know, like, there's been so many requests on this channel that I can't remember what everyone likes, so you gotta, like, mention it. I'm not sure if y'all still in unicorn, or, like, the unicorn. But I'll show you that in a second. Uni at sorry, not this to Bitcoin. At $4.25, right? Again, is it doing something? Not really, dude. On the 4 hour, low to high, right? Negative, less negative, low on there, side to lower point. We're having some hidden bullish. That's about it, though, right? To here. Maybe that's what we're stalling on the movement down on the 4 hour unicorn. Yeah, Uniswap. I just keep calling it unicorn. Because I mess around with the name so much already. Forgetting it. All DeFi stuff seems to be trash. Yeah. Let's see on October 30th if that dollar swap or USwap or whatever is going to be able to perform. I'm worried about that one, right? I know you already got good. By the way, if you guys don't know, Jake already got like 22 referrals or something like that. Some insane number. He probably has a lot more now, but maybe now like 60 referrals. I'm not sure, but if they pay him out, he's gonna be doing very good on that. Anyway, sitting neutral at 40.83 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI, higher on the RSI. Here we're like creating some bullish divergence here in the 1 hour, right? So coming in lower, right? Every time we're going lower, we're making less of that negative momentum, right? Negative momentum dying out. Right, that. Boom, boom. And then here just on the last bit, right? So on this last bit here. Creating that strong bullish divergence reaction to the upside. Really not getting it to play out too strong. Oh, it's the outro song. Let's play something else. Anyways, try to get above this area, right? We have that green line here. Should be the 618, yeah. Or the 50%, sorry, the 50%. This one's also green, but a different shade. So we try to get above that 50% and failing. That's not good, right? On that, we could definitely move down here to that 618. So we've just been rejecting this area continuously. We rejected it once, rejected it twice, right? So I'm not liking the way swap coin or unicorn looks like right now. So I'm waiting. You guys already exited your free uni. That's fine. If you haven't, that's fine. You can exit it still, make some good dough. I'm not sure if this is gonna pump from here or not. Again, I'm seeing it with a lot of indecision. I might try to get back on this channel, but you know, you could try the channel, right? From $4.37 to $5.37. It's about $1. You know, you can play the channel if you want to. That's about it, though. I'm trying to see if there's anything else that's moving insanely high. And I'm not finding anything, so... Again, dude, Solo is one of those projects that is doing, like... I'm not sure how this arbitrage is happening in Solo. But it's just freaking insane. Look, I'll show you. Maybe the bots are not closing those gaps. Or, I'm not sure, man. But like the gap is huge, right? Right, look at that. Solo on Coinfield at 0.86, right? It's right there, 0.86. So here it's at 47. So you're looking at a 40-cent difference from here to here, right? You're almost doubling your dough if you buy it on HitBTC and then send it over to Coinfield and sell it there. So, I mean, I'm not sure why it's so cheap on this exchange, right? And then on another exchange so much higher. But you can just sell it at market on Coinfield and not even care and still make some good dough just by buying on HitBTC and selling on Coinfield. It's so weird that, you know, it's like that much difference. Anyways. Not liking the way crypto's looking right now. It's all looking a little bit red, so. Fel, what's up, man? Just finished watering your lawn? You're late again? Do you miss uni? Yeah, I just hit uni, dude. I just hit uni, so I'll go back to it real quick, though. It's not doing much. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Let's do uni real quick, and then we'll look at the other one. Again, uni, right? Nothing on the daily. That's fine. Trying to figure out what we want to do. It's starting to look like a triangle, right, of sorts. Then on the 4 hour, hitting bullish, potential action to the upside, failing to go higher above that 50%, which is not that great, right? We got above it and then failed to sustain it. So we're gonna figure out what's gonna happen there. Again, nothing bearish happening, right? Sitting neutral at 40.97 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we have this strong bullish here, right? From here to here, right? On that movement against the MACD, and then just this last part here against the RSI. Also, and then a price action to the upside. We did go up, hit that 20, rejected, tried to move lower, but failed to drop, which is good, right? That is like when we failed to rally, and on that failed to drop, we managed to go slightly higher. Now we did go from high to a higher high, positive, more positive momentum, high on the RSI to a higher point. But something that I skipped over, and I'm looking at it now upon review, right? This is going from a high to a lower high. And then coming from a low point to a higher point, right? So creating that hidden bearish right now. It's probably part of the reason that we're starting to pull back down and really not going higher than we should be going right now. Losing the 20 right now, which is not the best. If we lose the 20, we could be looking for lower areas of value again. We got to see if we're going to hold on to this and then maybe pump. You have 300 of your 400 uni left. Going for the right price. Target to cash out. That's fine, bro. Again, if you fail to get above that 50% line, you're looking for a retrace to that 618, right? So if you fail to get above $4.37, really looking for a movement down here, right? At $3.37. Look here, it's so nice. It's like every 10 cents, right? Look at it. This is when I said the 618, it's at 337. Then the 50% is at 437, and then the 382, it's at 537. So it's every like a dollar, right? Move between each movement. So, you know, that's fine. You will be losing a dollar if you move down. Again, you can try to find support there at 618 and then maybe retrace or start your retrace, which would be fine. But again, you know, I'm not seeing a lot for this right now. It just looks more or less dead. We have this hidden bearish again. We have strong bullish. The strong bullish could come into play again and keep on pushing the price up. That this hidden bearish will just keep on tracking, right, until we no longer have it. But that's about it for uni. Now, H bar. We'll check out H bar. I think we've seen this one before. What is happening with Hedera? Right, so okay, on the daily, right? Look, from here to here, and then from here to here, we have some strong bullish divergence. Price action to the upside. We did go up, hit that 20, reject it, which is not the best. Again, we don't have it against the RSI. That's okay. Sitting sold at 36.97. There's a potential that we might move down on this rejection. Again, we could maybe go for that the 20%, that 20 moving average again, and see how it's going to play out. This project's sitting at 3.20 cents, right? Had some bearish divergence here, right? Strong. That's what we're breaking down here on the daily. So all these just on the daily. Did I forget to anchor? Yeah, I forgot to anchor. I'm just gonna fix the early or the short time stuff here. I don't plan to go that far back on the 4-hour or the 1-hour chart. Right. So from here to here we had the strong bullish, right? Look at that, boom, boom, and then let's just anchor this in the 4. And then from here to here, right? And then from here to here. So there's that price action to the upside. We're getting that nice rally coming in now. High, positive, more positive, high on the RSI. To a higher point on the RSI, which is okay here. Not to worry about there. Then high to low, and then high to low. That's fine. What I'm worried about is what we're doing prior to that. So from this previous high, or even this previous high, look at that, right? Look at that. Not even this previous high, which is much higher. It's high. It's still higher. This is still higher, right, on the RSI. So I'm looking for this movement going in like that, right? And then this movement coming in from up here to down there, creating that hidden bearish, and probably that's what we move down here, right? Low, higher, low, 611372. So still, we are making some hidden bullish now. It's just very slight. So from here to here. Then from here to here, right? Hidden bullish divergence, potential action to the upside. We don't have it against the RSI. Neutral at 49.75. That's where we probably got this rally, but then again, we're failing, right? So let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart. Oh no, what are we doing, dude? Coming in lower, more negative into lower on the RSI. That's fine here. Going up higher every time, right? So high, higher, high, higher, high. From here to here, though, definitely some bearish divergence. So from here to here, and then let's just anchor this on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour candle. Alright, from here to here. We don't have it here against RSI. That's fine. Here we're going higher. We're positive momentum higher on there. So we do have a negative momentum island here to separate us. Now, let's see what we have here. So, 3149. 3149. So again, same low. We're diverging and we're diverging. So nothing. No bullishness here. Let's see from here. What is this? 771966. Alright, cool. Yeah, we could say something. So from here we're coming in lower, right? And then we're going from negative to less negative. So creating some strong bullish divergence here. Potential action to the upside. We're getting that rally, but failing at the 20 right now. Failing to take off from the 20. We're not failing at the 20 yet. We're above it. We're failing to take off from the 20. Tightness of the Bollinger Band starting to come back in. We could be getting a wild move happening here. On tightness of the Bollinger Bands. Yeah, that's about it, dude. I'm not seeing much for this right now. Strong bullish. That's the last thing we have. Really failing to take off strongly. I'm not familiar with the project. I'm not sure what they're doing. So, you know, I'm not even sure what they're doing in the news. So that, you know, makes it a little bit weird to come with a proper price target. Now, on the daily, and something I'm going to do here because the project does have data. I'm trying to figure. I'll like ignore the previous data, and I'll just go from here, high to low. I want to see where it's at on the fibs. So from high to low. We haven't even made a retrace yet. We haven't gotten into that 236. So we could keep on dropping. We don't know if this is the local bottom yet. If we ignore the wicks, just let me adjust for that. Right, so the wicks bring noise. Still not a lot again. We're still not there. So, you know, really waiting for this to do something. Could come to that 236 and reject. And move farther down, right? Big spike was up when they announced Google partnership or whatever. Alright, that's cool, bro. I didn't know they were partnering up with Google. That's interesting. Right? Check it out. Yeah, bro, I'll check it out, man. Yeah, no worries, man. Let me know if you want to look at something else. Oh, thank you for joining me and giving me the awesome likes, bros. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like, that button, that sub, right? I'm not even sure who's all in here, but thank you for being here. We have 8 people watching, and I'm not sure who else watching where, but thank you for being here. Haven't looked at the other platforms yet, so yeah, it's fine, bro. That's fine, bros. We're at 247 subs. Yay! Awesome. I think we've been at 247 for the last 2 days or yesterday. Since yesterday, which is really cool. Did I do XRP? Yeah, bro, I did XRP. I know, Jake. I know you're bidding me in your channel, dude. I know you're at 270 or like you were at 264. I'm not sure what you're at right now. You're probably at 300. You hit like a massive spike, which is really cool, man. I'm glad for you. I'm happy for you, man. It's really, really amazing. Did I do XRP? Yeah, I did XRP, man. I can just go back and touch up on it again. So, again, XRP, right? Hidden bullish, action to the upside, got the rally, rejecting that 24,629 area. Yesterday, we even rejected it by just hitting it almost spot on, slightly higher, but we did get to a high of 24,665. We have it at 24,629, so just off by almost 30 something on the last 2 digits. Right, so that's fine. High to low again, nothing bearish happening. Neutral at 46.15 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Jake, how many subs are you at, bro? Again, you know, we're creating bearish divergence, right? Action to downside, move down that. Try to get above that 20, failing, moving low right now. Undoing the gains of the previous 4-hour candle, which is not the best. Could be going for lower prices. You know, that's fine. Neutral at 48. Sorry, guys, I just sneezed. Neutral at 48.69 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Again, we have strong bullish, getting that rally, hitting that 20, rejecting. Not what we want to see, dude. Not strong, right? That's not strong. Oh, man, that sucks. What we could get? Okay, we have the strong bearish divergence here, right? Moving us down. We have the strong bearish divergence here on the 4-hour also. All right, that's moving us down. Now, on the 4-hour, we don't have anything bullish. Here on the 1-hour, we have this strong bullish. We're trying to get that rally, but failing at the 20. Yeah, get 273 subs. That's awesome, bro. That's a good amount. That's good growth. Now, what is happening here? High to low. Positive to less positive. And high on the RSI to a lower point on the RSI. Now, right, what could be happening here is we fail to drop, and they hit the strong bullish divergence, you know, get us to higher points, like just like we failed to rally, right? That would be a failed drop. Or we go lower, we create more bullish divergence, right, anchoring to a lower point here on the price, but a less negative momentum, and maybe higher on the RSI. And with that, we could create some strong bullish divergence against the MACD and the RSI, and try to go for another rally also to 24,629. That's the way I'm looking at it, right? So either a failed rally and try to jump again, try to get above that 20, or we create that strong bullish and try to go for that 20 again. That's it for XRP, bro. It's the gaming. Oh, I didn't know you were doing the gaming on your YouTube, dude. I saw you doing the gaming on Periscope. I didn't know you were gaming on YouTube, bro. But That's cool. Let me know when you game on YouTube, dude. I'll try to like see if I can jump in. If it's throughout the day or whenever you do, let me know. Even if I'm not chatting, you'll just have another viewer, which is good, right? It's for the algorithm and stuff. So, what else do you guys want to look at? You using Restream? Just like, yeah, it's good. Restream is good. Just let me know when you jump on. I'll just check out your channel when you jump on, and I see you on Twitter. BP, how TRX doing? Hey, bro, how's it going, man? Thanks for being here, man. Haven't seen you the last couple of days, but thank you for joining us again, BP. We're gonna go check out TRX. We haven't looked at TRX lately, so I think the last time we looked at it, you requested it actually, so it's pretty cool. Let's get this on the daily. Right, had the bullish divergence action to the upside, hit that 20, rejected, moving lower. It's fine. We're starting to stall here. Maybe we have something on the shorter time scales, but on rejection of the 20, we tend to look for lower prices. If we start to stall here, we might try to get another go at the 20, and if we fail, then yeah, definitely drop lower. We're gonna see once that happens. Sitting neutral at 44.24 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. ICX, sure, man. We'll do ICX. Right, what do we have here? On the 4-hour, we had bearish divergence, right? Hidden price action to downside. We move down on that. Try to get above the 20, failing and moving lower. Now, on that fail, we might be making some strong bullish divergence, which would be cool. Hey, Spectre, how's it going, man? Thank you for joining us. Again, we are creating that strong bullish divergence against the MACD. Nothing against the RSI yet, so it's fine. We're trying to rally, failing to go higher. We've seen this across crypto a couple times. Right on. So on that note, we're seeing neutral at 43.31. Nothing bearish right now. Just this strong bullish. Let's see if that's going to play out. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Again, sorry, on the 4-hour, there's nothing saying we could not drop slightly more and still have strong bullish, right? So just keep that in mind. On the 1-hour, when did we look at this last? We had this bearish divergence, we moved down that, then we went insanely high, which was fine. Then we started to drop, and on this drop, so we started to create some strong bullish, right? Look at that movement here. And then I do believe we have some here. Let's see, this is 155. 155, same level, right? So we'll just go here sideways like that. And you know, when we go sideways on the oscillator, but that one's to the price, then we have that weak bearish divergence for potential action to the upside. Sorry, weak bullish divergence here. For potential action to the upside, we can take that rally, which is okay. Finding support at the 20, trying to rally again, and here, right, we're creating that. Did I forget the anchor? Yep, I've forgotten. I cut it on time, which is good. Otherwise, it would have been a mess. Going back and changing a lot of stuff later on, right? Nothing against the RSI, so we started to drop. That's fine. Now, we did drop to a lower point here. I'm not sure. No, still slightly higher. That's fine. And here we definitely move lower. Right, and this move lower here, we are creating, again, that strong bullish divergence against the MACD, but nothing against the RSI, right? And that's okay. We're getting that rally, getting above the 20, failing to get above the 20, failing to sustain it. We could move lower still, but we don't have anything bearish yet right now. It's high, lower, high, positive, less positive, high on the RSI to a lower point. Nothing bearish. I'm waiting for, I would be waiting to see if this bullish is going to continue. Right now, I wouldn't be taking a position in this, because we have the 20 as a resistance immediately. So if we try to rally, hit that 20 and reject and move farther down, we could not even go for the 20 and move farther down on the rejection that we just got here. If I were going to get in, I would be getting it at around after we get above the 20 and we confirm that we're going to stay above it, right? So anything that moves above the 20 and close above the 20 could give us that bullishness continuation that we have from the strong bullish divergence, and maybe get that rally happening. But again, right now I'm not seeing that. We worried about more if price action to downside, just on weakness, right, or indecision basically. That would be what I'm looking for. TRXBP. Thank you for asking. Now I'm gonna go look at the Spectre 9. What's going on? What's up? What's up? All right. What's up? What was that movie? Scary movies or something like that. Yeah. BitConnect. Yeah, man. Elbow cuff. Yeah, man. Right on. Let's check out ICX. Let's see what that is. Where that is at ICX to USD, man. There we go. Oh, we haven't looked at this in a long time, dude. Have we ever looked at this? We haven't looked at this since 2019, bro. Sorry, that's a long time ago. Yeah, we haven't looked at this forever. Sorry. Got something stuck in the back of my throat. I think I'm getting allergies or something. Let's wait and see how this is going to play out. Yeah, no worries, VP. Thank you for tuning in, man. Thank you for asking. If you want to look at something else, let me know. I can go in higher and then, high to lower high, right? That's the only thing I'm looking at here on the daily right now, in this macro picture. So some strong bearish divergence there. COVID allergies. Hey, what's up, D? How's it going, man? Thank you for being here. Yeah, dude, no. Nothing like that. My wife's also getting the same thing, and my son, right? So I think we're all getting allergies to something, because they're doing some construction, they're lifting up so much dust, so it could be some of that. Just so much freaking dust floating in the air. Short term here, though, right? Look at this on ICX, right? Coming in lower, then going from here to here, and then also from here to here we're going lower, so that's fine. Some strong bullish divergence, trying to rally. Still not gotten to that 20 yet. COVID doesn't get dead unless you're 70 plus years old. Yeah, I know of cases of people that died that were younger. They had other pre-existing conditions, though, right? To be fair. Anyways, getting near that 20 and dropping down. So sitting neutral here at 45.28 on the RSI on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Again, some strong bullish divergence here short term, right? Boom, boom. Y'all watched the debate tonight, I guess. That was part of the conversation earlier on. And who do y'all think is going to win the presidency? Because that's going to be interesting. Do y'all think they're just handing it out to Trump on a silver plate or a golden platter? I would say even. Just in the account that the opposite candidate is not so strong, right? So again, some hidden bearish. That's what I'm looking at right now here on the 4 hour. Yeah, waiting for your dagger. That's right. 1 million people died from being 70 plus years old. Blamed COVID. Yeah. Can we do Nim tonight? Yeah, we're gonna get Nim, bro. Look at Nim. What the fuck is Nim doing? We haven't looked at Nim yet, so yeah, we can look at Nim. Right, so again, coming in slightly higher here also, right, and then coming in lower here, boom, boom, and then here we're going higher, so that's fine. Again, creating hidden bearish, so strong bearish, sorry, potential fraction to downside again. This is a new positive mentality, go on developing and growing, right, but we have it right now, we just gotta acknowledge it for what it is, and it is strong bearish divergence. We don't have it against the RSI, right? We don't have anything else besides this strong bullish back here to anchor to, so that's going to be it for this in the 4 hour. Potential movement down, just watch out for that. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Right, so we're coming lower from here to here. And then we're moving from here to here, right, and here to here. So on this, we're making that strong bullish divergence, price action to the upside. We're going higher now. We don't have anything bearish short term. Right, here we had some bearish, but we already got rid of that, right? Because we managed to pump higher, so this is no longer relevant. Right, we don't have it here against there, so I just hit bearish, move down, hit that 20, bounce. Right now higher, more positive momentum higher on the RSI, all things good. Coming down neutral right now at 54.66 on the RSI. So again, you know, maybe we might come down here and touch that 20, or we try to like maybe stall around this area. We'll see. We don't have anything else besides this strong bullish playing out right now. We're starting to come back down though, right? Parabolic, we crash. Check out DVT again though. Again, strong bullish right on DVT. That's about it though, on the daily and on the 4 hour and on the 1 hour. So we could be getting a move up on DVT again. Like I said, dude, it's one of those projects where you can get good returns real quick. If we manage to get this bullish divergence to trigger, we could go from 5 to 7 like that, and on that move, you will be getting 40% returns very quickly. Look, it's not that big of a move. Even to 6.6, we're talking about like almost 1 million DVT. Right. D gets paid next week. Wow, it's gonna be good, man. Don't do it. Don't buy. DVT is going, dude. You still want to buy in at 5, right? Because you know it's a good entry, man. You know it's a good entry at 5. I know it's a good entry at 5. Might be adding more to a position here at 5. Here we're coming in lower. Look at that, right? On the 4 hour, coming in lower here, and then going from low to high, right? And negative to less negative, right? So again, look at that, right? Strong bullish divergence, potential action to the upside. Even here, short term, here, strong bullish divergence, right? So again, that here I was saying it's from this point here to this point here, and then this point here to this point here, right? Strong bullish there on the 4 hour as well. Yeah, stay as low as long as possible. You're gonna for 40 million coins long term. Let's go. You'll be at 3 million really soon. Jake, dude, damn it, that's cool. You've added so much, bro. I'm happy for you, man. I'm really happy that you're getting such a huge position. Coming in lower again, you know, creating this strong bullish divergence here on the 1 hour. Look at that, right? From there to there, and then from here to here. We don't have it here against the RSI, that's fine, but against the MACD we do. And again, we have this on all time scales, so we're bullish on all time scales on DVT. That's what I'm saying. It's a good entry at 5. You can still manage to go higher. Us future millionaires just chilling and shit posting. Yeah, I think if I became a millionaire, I would be working my ass off more. Because then you gotta maintain the millions, right? Otherwise, if you don't if you're not smart with your money, you're just gonna get rid of it real quick. Shit posting is live, yeah. You're gonna become the bit lords of DVT, the crypto bit lords of like DVT and other small projects. He shit posts so much sometimes. He's a cool guy though. He's entertaining. Anyways, shit posting is therapy. Yeah. Anyways, this is I like what DVT has on technicals. I'm trying to like do the thing to, you know, push for me to be here on the. I want to do a Bitcoin Jake and vote myself in, but Ukan was telling me that I need to do some pre-discussion somewhere. He told me that I had to like discuss. It has to be discussed between the community. That I had to like write a topic on the forums. So yeah, maybe I need to like do that first. So I probably need to go here, or no, here, and like post something. No, that's project, I think. Probably need to go here and post something. I'm not sure. Yeah. Just post a pre-proposal with the content. Same content as proposal. Alright, I will. I was gonna launch the proposal, dude. I didn't fucking know. It was asking for a link. I was like, dude, where am I gonna get that link? And then I asked Ukan, and he's like, no, you gotta do a proposal first. So I'll do that. Right. That's gonna be it, man. I want to go into the marketing DAO or the biz dev DAO. I'm not sure, dude. Whatever.